Welcome to CopyRack. In today's video, we'll walk you through the steps to place trades manually on CopyRack. Let's get started. To begin, head over to the Market Watch section on the left panel. Here you can trade with a wide variety of instruments including Forex, cryptocurrencies, indices, and commodities. You can easily search the instrument that you like to trade from the search bar. Here you'll get instant access to real-time data for all the pairs. You can easily execute trades within the platform, supported by interactive trading view charts that simplify your trading analysis. Next, to open a chart, simply click on any desired pair. This will open the detailed trading view chart for that specific pair. You can also try the cool dark mode feature. Ready to place an order? Select buy if you think the price will go up, or sell if you think it will go down. Enter the lot size, which is the quantity of your trade, and click on Advanced Options to assign a stop loss, trailing stop loss, or take profit to manage your risk. This is where you can fine-tune your trade settings to suit your strategy, and then just click on Place Order, and your order is placed. It's as simple as that. Keep in mind, for sell trades, the stop loss is always placed above the current market price, and the take profit is below it. Conversely, for buy trades, stop loss will be placed below the current market price and take profit above. If you want to set a pending order, like a stop or limit order, you can easily do that too. Let's say you want to open a buy limit order. Simply click on Buy Stop or Buy Limit to set your pending order. This allows you to plan your trades in advance based on your market analysis. All trades can be seen at the Portfolio section under Manual tab. Simply click on the Edit icon to modify or partially close your trades. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to open trade manually on CopyRack with ease. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up. Happy trading! May your investments thrive with CopyRack.